Greetings traders, this is David, and I'm just going to bring you another video here to show you that I have broken the code to the entire stock market, and I am now using the code on stocks, the code that I've broken, and I am making a tremendous amount of money from the stock market. I would like to let all traders in the world know that the entire stock market of the entire world, Japanese stocks, USA stocks, Australian stocks, European stocks, Chinese stocks, all stocks everywhere in the world is being controlled in advance by a computer program. There is absolutely no real trading taking place anywhere on planet Earth. This is my new discovery, and this is what I'm now going to be talking about every single day. So, I made $23,000 this day on August 1st. I made $23,000 on July 31st, the Fed decision. I made $23,000 again the very next day on August 1st as well, trading stocks. This is the video in the background. It's running right now. I'm going to go forward into the video and I'm going to show you the kind of trading that I'm doing now. So let's go forward in time a little bit here till I can find an entry. Okay, I have taken an entry on the stock PS, 5,000 shares short. There's the red line right there. My price short is $20.32, currently down $166. Let's go forward in time. Okay, wait a second. What was that right there? Okay, I'm not sure exactly, but I've taken multiple positions on different stocks, so we need to watch out. Okay, still have the 5,000 shares short on PS, up $4,000 now. Let's go forward in time. Okay, on PS, I'm only up 1651 now. Now I'm up 3,000. You can see it right here, 2,641. Keep going forward in time. 2,800, back to 3,000. Notice I'm still holding because my system, the code, is still saying it's going to go down. Now I'm up almost 8,000, 7,800. When you know the code to stocks, you can make an absolute 100% fortune. Okay, now I am out of the trade with 10,589. Now notice, I'm going to get back in the trade again. I'm going to take another entry and I'm going to make even more from it. Let's go find it. Okay, I have taken UGAZ short, UGAZ stock, 5,000 shares short at 1570. Unrealized profit so far of negative 152. Let's go forward in time. Okay, I got PS back up. I'm probably getting ready to take an entry again. Let's go find it. Okay, there it is. I've taken, okay, I'm still getting in right there. 7,500, 8,600. Still trying to get shares short. Okay, 10,000 shares short now on PS. I've already made 10,589. I'm going for more now. Currently down 526 in the position. Let's go forward in time. Okay, UGAZ, I am now up 1,900 on UGAZ. Notice where I took a position at, it drops out. I knew it would drop, or I knew it would go down because the computer told me it's going to go down. This is not really trading. A computer is controlling its price and direction. In other words, it's the biggest scam in world history. I am now here to expose that scam and to give all people on planet Earth the ability to make money for themselves, to take money from this scam system. Okay, let's go forward in time. Currently up 1,900 on UGAZ. Keep going forward in time here. Okay, PS. You can see here that I took a loss on PS. I was up 10,000, I believe it was, and now I'm only up 7,400. I took one trade and I took a loss on it. So let's go forward in time. Okay, now getting ahead back again on PS. Now ahead 4,900 on PS. Now ahead 11,000 on PS. Going forward in time. Okay, I am now out of PS with $19,619. All because a computer is controlling the price and direction of all financial instruments worldwide, all stocks, everything. You name it. There is not one single solitary financial instrument on planet Earth that is not being controlled by a computer program. There is not one single solitary financial instrument on planet Earth that is actually really trading. It does not exist. And I'm now here to expose that fact to the entire world. UGAZ took a profit now of 38.60. So I made 38.60 and 19,619 from two different stocks on August 1st, 2019. Two different stocks. No futures, no oil, no YM, no ES, only stocks. I am now here to wake up the world. The entire global stock market is being controlled in advance by a computer program. Every stock there is, Apple, Facebook, Walmart, Google, AMD, everything, you name it, Uber, Lyft, all stocks are being controlled in advance by a computer program. I'm now teaching the codes to the stocks at my channel. And I am also going to now start teaching the implications of what this means for all people on planet Earth. And I am going to bring up CNBC and show you the conspiracy that is taking place against all of mankind. This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Don't let anybody on this planet fool you otherwise. There will never come an opportunity like this ever again in world history. Ever. And so now I am here to help traders around the world. I am here to help all people learn how to make money from trading the markets. Don't let anybody out there tell you that this isn't real. They are liars. They are first-class liars who don't want people to know that all of the markets are being controlled by a computer. They are criminals by their very natures. It is time for all of you to wake up. It is time for you to tell everybody that you know of what is going on. Because all of us need to come out of this matrix now and start to realize what's really going on. You're being lied to on a quantum level. On an exceedingly complex level, you are being lied to. I'm here to expose that lie and to bring the truth to the world. I will now be working every day on this to bring the truth to all of mankind, to every single person that I could possibly reach on this planet. I am going to speak the truth and bring the truth. You want to learn how to make money from the markets? You want to learn the code to stocks? I'm now teaching it at my website. See you there. Happy trading.